20 interesting facts about the ocean. If we could capture just 0.1% of the ocean's kinetic energy created by the tides, we could satisfy the current global energy demand up to 5 times over the current energy need. Did you know it's okay to pee in the ocean? This is because 95% of urine is actually water, and the nitrogen in the urea is used to feed ocean plants. When ships pass through Point Nemo in the southern Pacific Ocean, they are 2,688 kilometers from the nearest land. That means that at the right time of day, the nearest humans are on the International Space Station, 416 kilometers straight up. At the ocean's deepest point, the water pressure is the equivalent of having about 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you. There are approximately 3 million shipwrecks on the ocean floor. They are worth billions in value and treasure. The ocean holds enough uranium to power the planet for 10,000 years. The Earth's oceans absorb 25% of the carbon dioxide, or CO2, that is released into the atmosphere every year. However, because of the increasing amounts of CO2 into the world's atmosphere, the world's oceans are slowly turning acidic. 14 billion pounds, or 6 billion kilograms, of garbage are dumped into the ocean every year. Most of it is plastic. In Newfoundland, Canada, the Atlantic Ocean sometimes freezes, and people in the area actually play hockey on it. 10,000 shipping containers are lost at sea each year, and 10% of those hold toxic chemicals, which may leak into the ocean. Retired New York City subway cars are sometimes thrown into the Atlantic Ocean to help create artificial reefs. 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes are in the Ring of Fire, an area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean. The ocean hosts some of the world's oldest creatures. Jellyfish have been around for more than 500 million years. Horseshoe crabs are also ancient creatures who have survived almost as long. The Earth's oceans are filled with massive, hollow, worm-like entities called pyrosome that can grow as big as a sperm whale. 70% of the oxygen we breathe is actually produced by the ocean. The ocean produces oxygen through different aquatic plants such as phytoplankton, kelp, and algal plankton. A new ocean is forming in Africa. Less than 5% of the ocean has been explored. In fact, we have better maps of Mars than of the oceans, despite the fact that it's nearly 50 million miles away. The world's tallest waterfall is not actually Angel Falls in Venezuela. Technically, the largest known waterfall lies underwater between Greenland and Iceland. The Denmark Strait Cataract is more than 3 times the height of Angel Falls, dropping water at a whopping 11,500 feet, or 3,505 meters. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the ocean should be seen as a museum because it has more history than all of the museums in the world combined. Rivers and deep lakes can exist under the ocean. This can take place when salty water and hydrogen sulfide mix to form a dense brine that is heavier than regular seawater.